If you have issues with Wi-Fi on your Google Pixel 10 Pro, here's what you can do in order to solve your issues. But first, what you can do, what is recommended, is to check if on other devices that use the same Wi-Fi network, if the Wi-Fi is working. So if you, for example, have a TV or a laptop, etc., and you use the same Wi-Fi network, check if the Wi-Fi works fine on other devices. If it doesn't, then of course it means that you have issue with the Wi-Fi itself rather than with the Wi-Fi on your phone. However, if you don't have access to the internet by using your Wi-Fi only on your Google Pixel 10 Pro, then we can proceed to network and internet and make sure that the airplane mode is disabled. Sometimes we can turn it on by accident and we are not even aware of that. Then we're going to proceed to the internet, and you can use this button over here in the upper right corner in order to reset the internet completely. So we will toggle the Wi-Fi and try to reconnect to the Wi-Fi network after a short while. Now in this case I have been immediately reconnected, so that's good. In your case, if the reconnection doesn't happen, we can proceed with further steps. You can also manually turn off and turn on the Wi-Fi over here, just in case, to see if that helps. Now, besides that, if you can find your network over here on this list of networks that we have available nearby, you can just tap on the network in order to try to connect. For example, I also have the safe network over here. It is now being reconnected for some reason, but I can tap over here in order to switch back to my previous network. And what we can also do is we can go to the settings of the network. So you can tap on this gear icon on the right side. And over here what we can do is check if auto connect option is enabled. Now this is especially useful if you, for example, have the connection but it disappears after a short time, or just after some time in general. So you might want to check if this option is enabled to reconnect whenever it is possible. Another thing that is worth checking is of course saved networks. So if you don't have your network over here in this section, you can try to find it in saved networks if you were connected to that network in the past. Or, for example, if you need to update the password, because, for example, if you entered a wrong password and now you cannot connect, you might need to update your password. So you can, for example, go to Save Networks over here and then enter a new password in this place, or you can completely forget the network in order to try to reconnect from the beginning. And last but not least, if none of this helps, what you can also do is we can go back to the main menu of settings. Over here we can scroll down to System. Now we're gonna go to Reset Options, and then over here we have Reset the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Unfortunately, these two things cannot be separated, so if you reset Wi-Fi, you will also reset Bluetooth, which means that you will not only have to reconnect to your Wi-Fi networks, you will also have to connect your Bluetooth devices again. When you are ready, just press Reset, and then every Wi-Fi network and Bluetooth connection will be erased from the phone and Wi-Fi will be reset in general. So you can go back after that to network and internet and try to connect to the Wi-Fi again. There is also the private DNS option, which you can set to automatic if you change something, just to be sure that is working. There is also adaptive connectivity, which extends battery life and improves device performance by automatically managing your network connections. So you can try to turn this option off for now to see if that makes any difference. And that's pretty much it. This is, I think, everything that we can do on this phone in order to try to solve issues with Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.